everyone. So today we will be doing something in Python which is very interesting. But we did it last time. So it is absolute value but with using functions. So we have to just download it. I forgot to say it before. You have to download the Python. So you just have to go to Google. Yeah. Then go to Google, then type there Python install. Sorry, long spelling. Okay. Yeah. So get in there, then Python. Yeah. So this is the place where you can download it. So you can download it from this website. Then after downloading it, you can come to Python, idle Python. Now this is the place where we got code. So now first of all, let's save the file. I'm going to save it as absolute score value.python. Okay. Now for that, let's make a function. I'll make it at. Then full colon. So you know what is function. Function makes our code easier to understand and easier to write. So while writing a function, we should start with def. And while we are calling the function, we have to type there write the function name and open, then close the bracket. So yeah. Then let's go here. Then let's type there. Let's type in here if a, like we are going to make a and b variable after. So let's first of all write a less than b. It has to print there the absolute value is and put there b, then close the bracket. So if the a is less than b, it has to print on the screen the absolute value is this number, which is b, the number we are going to give. So next let's put a elif means else if. Okay, else if, instead of giving else in one line and if in the other line, you can use the method elif. Then let's give there a greater than b. It has to print there mark the absolute value is, then comma a. So then else it has to print there both are same. Okay, so this is what we did. So like when you run the code, nothing will happen because we did not call the function. So let's call the function. Before that, let's make two variables called a and b. Is equal to, we are going to ask the user for it. Enter a number to find the absolute value. Then close the two brackets, close quotation mark, then close two brackets. Then let's make another variable called b here. Yep, it's b. Instead of a, let's put there another. Now let's call the function apps. Sorry. Okay. Now let's underguard. So you have to enter a number to find the absolute value. So first number I'm going to put is 7, and second is going to be the 9. So the absolute value is 9. So now let's put a as a bigger and b lower. So let's run that again. So I'll add 21 into 5. So the absolute value is 21. So what if we put the two numbers same? I'll put therefore this one also 4. Then they both are same. So I think this was our absolute value with using functions. So let's try doing some code by using functions in our next class. So bye.